Good morning, my Gaijins, brothers and sisters. This is Freddie from Gaijin Garage. It's a beautiful Friday morning. Well, this is going to be a part 1 or 2 video. We had this beautiful coupe right here, EG coupe. As you can see, the front end is destroyed. Somebody hit it. You can see it, bend it. It's okay. Because this guy bought another one. He was lucky enough to buy the whole front end of it. Now we had to take our time taking the whole, basically separating this from this, put it back to the other one. And that's what's going to be happening today or tomorrow. It's got nice fenders. So basically I got to go through here, start taking this apart, and see what else I can get. Car's pretty nice shape, pretty nice wheels. You know, pretty nice looking car. So, with that said, I gotta stop on the hatch for now and work on this. So, before we start working on this car, before we even do nothing to this car, you know what I'm about to say to you guys. Hit share, hit like, share this video, make it popular. Thank you for 98 subscribers, and I hope you like my last video. Peace out. Hey guys, second video of the first one. We had this EG coupe. The guy hit it in the front. Well, I am taking off the front. Radiator support. As you can see in the video, he gave me another one. No, he brought another one. So I can put it in here, but it was caught in the corner. So he bought a new one now. So right over there, that's the old one right there. This is the other one that we're taking out. I'm already got injured on here. Taking the wall spots out. So as soon as I get this out of here, I'm gonna start pulling all this out. And then I gotta do all this spot over here loose. This is already loose, so I'm gonna put it back in. This is not using it, so little by little, I'm going to start bringing this apart. Well, it's done. I'm going home for the day. Hit like, hit share, and share this video. I'll bring you more when I have the front end done. I'll get more parts for this car. Peace out. Share this video. I love it. Got cut here in my face. Hit my finger like 6 times. But it's done. Peace out.